Hey, good morning everyone. This is a little different. This is your barefoot country cook in the kitchen again. And I am barefoot. There you go. Proof in the pudding. Sorry about my ugly feet. But anyway, I thought I would share with you my morning fave. Fresh ground coffee beans. We have a farmer's market here that has the most wonderful coffee beans ever. And if you ever have not ground your own coffee, you really need to. If it's an oily bean, you can infuse it with just about anything you like. We love cinnamon. So what I'm doing this morning is I am infusing our coffee beans with cinnamon bark. Nice big dish of cinnamon bark there. All you need is this cute little thing. This little gadget, $20, maybe 15. Sometimes you can find them at Goodwill. That's where I got mine for like $6. Retails for 20. Why not? $6 is a deal. And what I do is I will take about 2 inches worth of the bark, and I'll put it in the bottom of that. That's called a spice grinder. So if you're looking for a brand new one, just go and Google spice grinder. I think even Amazon has them. Put 2 sticks or 2 inches worth of the cinnamon bark in your grinder. Then you take mocha java. It's so good, but when you add the cinnamon, it's even better. Now, mocha java, though, is not a dark coffee. It's a medium roast. And you put that right on top of your cinnamon bark, just like that. Okay? And then you grind it. Very simple. You just push the little button up here. You just push that down and watch her go. I wait. I always have to. If I'm stocking up this morning, but I had waited till my husband was up because I didn't want to wake him up. This thing is noisy, but it does a wonderful job. And then you turn it upside down. Tap it a little bit. And in that cup beneath, you're going to see the best cinnamon coffee ever. Now, have you ever gotten something like that at Starbucks? And it's a whole lot cheaper, and it stretches a long way. Just put it in a nice airtight container. If you want it to last even longer, put your coffee, fresh ground coffee, in the refrigerator. That's a little kitchen hint from your country cook. This has been getting ready for your day. Hey, did you like that? If you like anything I do on here, do me a favor. Send me a like, send me a comment, tell me what you think. Is there something you'd like to see? Let me know. I'll give it a whack. I like being in the kitchen, especially barefoot. So when you come by, make sure you take your shoes off, okay? Y'all have a great day. Starting the day with a great cup of coffee.